Hi guys, today
Hi,
we're going to
everything!
make some pizza. Nangamit bahay ako ngayon. Nandito ako kina May! By the way guys, siya po ay nagbibenta ng cake. May pakita ko niya. Siya po yung gumagawa ng OB cake. Makapuno cake. Napakasarap. At para sa mga orders and inquiries, please call na lang po. Napaka-swak sa bulsa yung
Very affordable.
affordable po yung
Presyong bang kaibigan
Opo.
lang.
free delivery. For the first step, mix all dry ingredients. Mix it thoroughly using the wire whisk. Next is pour the canola oil. And scrape the rest of the oil using the spatula. Then pour the water, half only. Pour the rest of the water and mix it. Knead it using your bare hand on the bowl itself. Once done in the bowl, knead it on the table for 5 minutes. After kneading for 5 minutes, make it like a ball. And place it back to the bowl. Cover it with clean up. And rest for 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
So, habang naghihintay tayo sa dough na tutubo, so magkahit na tayo ng mga toppings. Okay. After 30 minutes, flat the dough using the rolling pin. Place the dough into a pan with a dusting powder on it. And make sure cover all over the pan. Next, spread the pizza sauce all over. Sprinkle half of the cheese on the outside side, more outside, and less inside. Put the turkey ham, again, more outside, less inside. Sprinkle the red onion. Then put the fresh slice of tomato. Sprinkle the green bell pepper. And also the red bell pepper. Lastly, sprinkle the rest of the cheese all over. Again, more outside, less inside. And last, also the Parmesan cheese. There you go, this is my perfect homemade pizza. Okay guys, let's go, let's put it in the oven. Bake for 10 minutes. And there you go, it's almost there. And the cheese is melting already and looks so yummy. My ready to eat pizza. Make sure your hands is safe when you're pulling it out. Look at the pizza, the thickness of the dough, the cheese, the moisture, the appearance itself. It's very delicious and so yummy. Hi guys, tapos na tayo sa paggawa ng pizza and that was really amazing. And please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe right here and like and share as well. And of course, please hit the notification bell for you to be updated with my next video. See ya!